OPPO F25 Pro 5G smartphone. The available size variants are 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage. The color variants are ocean blue and lava red. This has 8GB RAM, 128GB ROM which is expandable up to 2TB microSD. It comes with dual 5G SIM slot with IP65 rated water and dust resistance. Designed with 6.7 inches AMOLED display and ultra-narrow bezel with 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 2412 by 1080 pixels resolution, 1 billion colors and 120 Hz refresh rate. Featured with 32 megapixels IMX615 Sony sensor front selfie camera, triple rear camera, 64 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels Sony IMX355 ultra wide angle camera, 2 megapixels macro camera supporting video recording at 4K ultra clear resolution and 30 fps. Built with Android 14 operating system and ColorOS 14.0 system platform with MediaTek Dimensity 7050. The box includes phone case, power adapter, USB cable, and SIM tray ejector. The product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking, and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.